Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get the Discord guilds tag without the waitlist. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you may know, the guild is still very experimental and so there are long waiting times for it. So the easiest way is to go to this server that I'm going to leave in the description that's going to have all the archives for the guilds that you can join in. And so once you join it, you're going to search for this branch which has the tags and guilds. As you can see, there are many tags that you can choose from. And so what you're going to do is click on any of them. And then from here, you're going to click on join. And then from here, you're going to fill an application that's going to ask for a few questions. And then from there, as you can see, once we put it like that and fill any of them, then this application will fill it so that you can join the server. Now from here, after you join, all you have to do is go to the settings. And then from here, you're going to go to edit user profile. Now once you scroll down until you see the tags, as you can see, once I join the server, I can now put this tag, which is going to be your guild tag. Save the changes, exit, and now you successfully have it. So from here, if I type anything, hey, then all good. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.